morning. Why is it that every time I get here, I always do my intro here at this spot where it started? Well, I'm climbing down this damn cliff again. And Herman monstered my rod, guys, my fishing rod. Actually, Herman monstered up my rod that broke the other day. He got a little bit longer. I see David's car up top, so I'm supposing he's down here already lighting up fires and all kinds of shit. He probably picked up about 4 snooks already. Fire! Fire! See the fire's burning. Morning, sir. Any kills yet? Anything yet? You know, see my youth down here this morning. He said, "Nila come down here, but I don't see him." Andrew. I haven't been out all week, bro. I've been sick, bro. I walked a little bit here. Eh? Yeah. Yeah? Tomorrow I'm going to go down there. I'm going to go down there either today or tomorrow. I'm not sure. I'm not walking out of water there, my dear. No man, I know some y'all get wet. That's why I'm wearing them your clothes here. I know some you're fat, but I'm not ready for my foot get wet yet. Yet. It's always a getting wet program. Them your pants up, my shirt, everything designed to get wet and dry quick. Yeah, a Herman man, so I build a rod here, you know. I use 2 different rods. Remember I broke my Daiwa rod the other day when the dog them rush me? Yeah. I go to take one piece off by Shakespeare and cut it down and put it back on fetch foot. Look how neat it is. So now instead of 7 foot, this bitch is 8 foot and they give me a blood teeth calf.
Okay, it's funny.
Me no kids not 8. That was a damn good day, David. Can't complain. When I have days like that, I smile. Yeah. I see somebody on the rock out there, so. Okay. Fish on. Come on to the water. Right here, boy. Damn, that happened quick. Jamaican shore fishing. First snook in the morning. Look at that, boy. Let's get him, guys. Nice snook this morning, guys. Look at this Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah. Good hook on this morning. Chuck him up here for now. Up here, boy. I knew this yellow was gonna do it eventually. Huh? And he hit it right there. Right at the foot. Well, the rod is working. One of my favorite spots right here too, guys. I always come here and try to feel a spot out. Sometimes you might get lucky and bump into a jack or a barra out here. Let's see what's up, see what we can pick up, guys. We're making sure fishing. To make a lure fishing, guys. Long jaw casing. I can't take them damn long jaw. They're a pain in the ass at times. Alright, let's walk up a little bit. See if we can pick up a barra here, guys. I've picked up jack here before, I've picked up other fish here before, and barra. I picked up a big barra up that side before. Chasing you guys. We'll move up a little bit further. If we don't pick up anything by here, we're gonna go further up, guys, and check out up there and see what we can pick up there. Kinda late. Whoopsie. Ooh, fish on, guys. Ooh, he got away. Ooh. He got away, guys. He got away. That was a nice size barra. He hit it and missed. Oh my God. I wonder if he's that hungry, huh? He hit it and missed just now, guys. Did you guys just see that? Nice size barra too. Alright, let's see if he's going to go for it again. He let it go just now, guys. That was crazy. Long jaw. I got hit by a huge barracuda a while ago, guys. Down here, back on the other side, guys. I came up here, try my luck up this side. That fish got away. I don't know how the hell he did that. But I had my drag tight. Oh shit. No, bad there. Not good. Fish on, guys. Whoop, Barra, got him. Fish on. Haha. There you go. Haha. Woohoo. Yo. See that? Me lose one big one down there, so look a while, you know. Barra, man. See him? Alright, we gotta get you in the cooler. Get you off the hook. As we doing this part, hey, holding you guys too. Cleaning it out. I gotta get you up here to the cooler to the car. Already. Let's go. That's it. It's been a wonderful morning, guys. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Appreciate you guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. Pick up yourself. Thank you for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. Woohoo.